this video and show you one of the mats that I use. I purchased several of these Don Aslet mats from QVC a while ago. There they are. I use it to wipe my feet when I was entering the screen room. I have these in my control center, and I will carry this one with me for using. You could shake them out, wash them, rinse them, whatever you have to do. They're very good mats. They hold a lot of soil. But I wanted to show you guys where I'm storing the awning. It's right here in the back of the van. Okay, give you a little view here. I've got my mattress in there, and then I have a little bit of room left on the back here, probably about 15 or so inches. So I got the ARB awning right there, right under the controller here, solar controller, and then I have another heavy-duty canvas bag that I've got a bunch of gear in that I carry. This blue bag's got food, MREs. This red bag has clothing and knee pads and stuff like that I need for when I'm camping. And then the Husky toolkit's got a bunch of essentials in it. You guys have seen this in my videos. All kinds of things I need for camping and being in the outdoors. Cordage and fire lighting material, knives, zip ties, stuff for the camper, bolt cutters, wire cutters, matches, bottle openers, locks, just keys, just things that I need. These are the old, these hold the seats to my van in, so if I ever put my seats back, I could have, there's the bolts for them. And so, here you go, cordage, electrical tape, lighters. So that's that. What I did last night is I left the refrigerator on, the Dometic refrigerator. Had it on all day, plugged into the vehicle here. The battery last night went down to 67%. There you could see it is on, right now it is at 97% is my 125 amp hour AGM battery. So what I did was I just raised the temperature of the refrigerator, the Dometic refrigerator, which is up front there, and I put it on a power setting that it had, I guess a power saver setting, and it ran all night long. And then this morning when the sun came up, I'm not sure what time it is right now, let's see. It's 11:06 a.m. and so that battery's up to 90-something% right now. So I'm going to see how that goes the next couple nights, if I could run that refrigerator. But I do plan to replace this solar controller with the MPPT controller, which should make it a lot more efficient. So waiting to get that in-house. So there you go, guys. There's the ARB Awning Room Deluxe Awning Room. Again, this is the new one. There is the part number for it. And I love it. And I'm going to carry it with me. And it's going to be part of my outdoor experience. So, still have the awning up. Remember to take everything out of the tent before you take it down. I had those items in there. I forgot they were in there, and I needed to pull them out. So there you have it. There's Teddy hanging out on the Don Aslet mat. And there's my little mama, little Charlotte. She's hanging out here, having a good time. You guys are gonna stay out with me today, okay? And there's the refrigerator, still running from last night. Recharged my Goal Zero 400 battery, Yeti 400. It's back in the vehicle, and so that's up and ready to go. And I'm ready for my next little adventure. Keep a good pair of hiking boots by Salomon in here, and I also keep my lacrosse water boots in here, with a big pair of wool socks, high wool socks, and a small and a machete for any wet weather. Whoop. There goes my awning. 900 by 2500 awning room. Down from the awning. It's a little windy today, so it did fill up with air a little bit, so I had to make sure all that air is out. I have it folded the way I think it should be, and I'm going to roll it and put it into the stuff sack right now. But I wanted to do this video just as a tutorial for myself, so I could go back and watch it and then look back at any things I did wrong or I did right, and then perfect it each time I put it up and take it down. So, and also to give people on YouTube that have this product the ability to comment, so we all can learn from the experience. So I'm going to attempt to roll it up right now and put it in the stuff sack. I think you guys can see that. Get you another look here. So what I'm going to do is pull out the stuff sack, and there's some ties in there. I'll tie it off and then put it back in the sack. I think you can see that. Yeah. Alright guys. Here's my stuff sack, and inside there's some ties. You okay? You alright? Okay. It's okay. Alright, let Daddy tie this. Daddy's gonna tie it. Okay? You sit over there. You wanna help? Alright, you guys can help. Alright? You wanna help? You guys can help. Be good. Okay. Alright. Okay, now put it in the sack. Looks like it's gonna fit. Alright. There it is, guys. The only other thing I need to put in is the pegs and the cordage, which I'm going to put in right now. Okay. And there you go. And so that is a complete takedown and stowing away of the deluxe awning room from ARB. So that wasn't too bad. Obviously, if it was wet. Oh, you know what? I did forget one thing, guys. Big time right here. At the top of the awning, right here, I forgot to take in the the zippered piece. That's a big one. Now I would have picked it up if I went to take down my awning. I would have picked this up, but this is the zippered piece that goes along with it. So don't forget this piece. And so I'll take this piece and I'll put it in the stuff sack as well, so I have it for next time. Or I mean, if you're taking this up and down a lot, you can probably keep this piece out. This is going to stay in my vehicle, and make sure you have this in, because you won't be able to put it up without the without this piece. Okay, so that's the complete takedown. Wasn't so bad. I'm going to keep the awning up for a little while longer. Me and the doggies are going to stay out here for a little while, but thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts, comments, suggestions. I'll be much appreciated. Thanks, and stay ready. Anthony signing off.